Namaste children, welcome to today's maths class. In the last class we discussed the rational numbers, that is comparison of two rational numbers and positive rational numbers, negative rational numbers we studied, and standard form of rational numbers or the simplest form or lowest form of rational numbers. Now we are going to discuss about inserting or finding rational numbers between any two rational numbers. As we studied in lower classes, so how many natural numbers are there between two consecutive natural numbers, that is 2 and 3? There is no natural number between 2 and 3. Then how many natural numbers are there, and what are the natural numbers which are present from between 2 and 5? We have 3 and 4 are there. Similarly, we studied for integers and whole numbers. Now we are going to study for rational numbers. So there are infinite number of rational numbers are there between two rational numbers. How it is, we will discuss with this through this problem. See, list 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. The third question is -4 by 5 and -2 by 3. How many rational numbers? 5 rational numbers. See, the first question it is, so given rational numbers are what? -1 and 0. So first question, express the given numbers, rational numbers, in this standard form or in the p by q form. So in standard form, how can we write -1 as -1 by 1 and 0 as 0 by 1? 0 by 1 is equals to 0, -1 by 1 is equals to, it is -1. If we divide any number with 1, we get the same number. That's why we will express all integers, whole numbers and natural numbers in the form of p by q with the denominator as 1. Now how many rational numbers we have to find here? 5 rational numbers. Now multiply these two rational numbers with 6, 1 more than 5. How many rational numbers we wanted to find? More than that one you take and multiply both the numerator and denominator of both the rational numbers. That is, we will convert them to the like rational numbers. Like rational numbers means the denominator should be same. So here, though here the denominators are same, but here we can find this rational numbers, but we will get it is what it is in the easier way. Multiply these two rational numbers, which one? -1 by 1 and 0 by 1 with 6, 1 more than the number of rational numbers. Therefore, -1 by 1 into 6 that is equals to -6 divided by 6 we will get. The second one, it is 0 by 1, it is multiplied with 6 and it is multiplied with 6. 0 into 6 it is 6, 0 into 6 it is 0, and similarly 1 into 6 it is 6. Now we got two rational numbers with the denominator same, that is like rational numbers, and what it is 6 is the denominator. Now observe the what it is numerators. Here we have what is the numerator, it is -6 is there, and here it is 0 is there. Identify the numbers between -6 and 0. Identify the integers. -6 and 0, what we have? -4, -3, -2, and it is what it is -1, and we have the rest of the numbers are there. So between -6 and -6 and 0, what are the numbers we have? -5 by 6, -4 by 6, -3 by 6, -2 by 6, -1 by 6. Next what we get? 0 by 6. Here what we get? -6 by 6. So therefore what are the numbers which are there between these two? -5 by 6 and -4 by 6, -3 by 6, -2 by 6 and -1 by 6 are the 5 rational numbers, or the 5 rational numbers between rational numbers between -1 and 0. -1 and 0. So like this we will find out the rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Here we found only 5. We can find infinite number of rational numbers. Infinite number of rational numbers. Now we will discuss the third bit. Here the two rational numbers are, what are the two rational numbers? -4 by 5 and it is -2 by 3. So see these denominators, 5 and 3 are there. That is the two different denominators are there. First you convert them to the what it is the like rational numbers. That is their denominator should be equal. That is like what we discussed for the fractions. So find the LCM of 5 and 3. 5 and 3 both are prime numbers. Therefore their LCM is their product 5 into 3 it is 15. Now LCM of 5 and 3. 5 and 3 is equals to 5 into 3 it is 15. Change these fractions. Minus 4 by 5. To get the denominator 15, 5 is multiplied with 3. Therefore, we get it is minus into plus minus. 4 into 3, 12 divided by 5 into 3 it is 15. Minus 12 by 15. Next it is minus 2 by 3 is the second rational number. To get denominator as 15, 3 is multiplied with 5 and 2 also will be multiplied with 5. Now it is minus into plus minus 2 into 5, 10 divided by 3 into 5 it is 15. Now we got here two rational numbers with the same denominator, that is minus 12 by 15 and minus 10 by 15. So what are there between minus 12 and minus 10? We have minus 11 by 15 is there. How many rational numbers we have to find here? 5 rational numbers we need to find. Am I right or wrong? How many rational numbers we have to find? 5 rational numbers we have to find. So you can multiply this with what? 1 more than 5. It is 6. These two multiply with 6. Then what we get? Minus 12 by 15 into 6 into 6. That is minus into minus plus. Sorry, minus into plus it is minus. 12 into 6 it is 72 divided by 15 into 6, 15 6 are, it is 90. 15 6 are 90. Then the second one it is minus 10 by 15 is multiplied with 6 and both numerator and denominator is multiplied with 6. Now minus into plus it is minus. 10 into 6 it is 60 divided by then 15 into 6 is equals to 15 6 are 90. Here what it is, minus into plus it is minus. 12 into 6 it is 12 6 are 72. Now you see here minus 72 and minus 60 are the numerators. What are the numerators here? We have minus 72 and minus 60. Between these two, how many numbers are there? What are those numbers? Minus 71, minus 17, minus 69, minus 68, minus what it is? 67, 60, minus 66. So many numbers are there. So with those numbers and take the denominator as 90, then we can write between these two numbers how many are there? What are those? Minus 72 and minus 60 we have minus 71 by 60 minus what it is 69, sorry, minus 70 by 6. It is denominator is 90, not 60, it is 90. So minus 70 by 90 minus 69 by 90 comma minus 68 by 90 minus 67 by 90 minus 66 by 90 minus 65 by 90 and minus 64 by 90 minus 63 by 90 minus 62 by 90 minus 61 by 90. Then it is minus 60 by 90. Already we have it is there minus 60 by 90. So these many numbers are there between. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are there. Still we can write more by taking with the different different denominators. Therefore, what are the rational numbers between these two? 5 rational numbers. Choose any 5 from this. Choose any 5 rational numbers. Therefore, we will get minus 71 by 90, comma minus 70 by 90, comma minus 69 by 90, minus 68 by 90, comma minus 67 by 90 are 5 rational numbers between 5 rational numbers between what are those? It is minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. So here what you have to remember, convert this. If the rational numbers are not in the standard form, then convert them to the standard form. Observe that if the denominators are same or not. If the denominators are not same, first you convert their denominators to be equal by taking the LCM. Then you observe whether we get the number of 5 rational numbers between those two numbers with that denominators or not. If not, then you multiply the rational numbers which we got with the same denominator with some integer, like if they are asking 5 rational numbers means 1 more you take, then we will get it is 6. If they are asking 2 rational numbers means 1 more 2 means it is 3. Multiply both numerator and denominator with 3. We will get the required number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Is it clear, children? Yes. Now we will discuss exercise number 9.1, the second question. Write 4 rational numbers in each of the following pattern. Means you are given one pattern with the rational numbers. Write next 4 rational numbers. So what is the pattern here? It is given minus 3 by 5, minus 6 by 10, minus 9 by 15 and minus 12 by 20 and so on. You see the second fraction, second rational number, how we got minus 6 by 10. When minus 3 by 5 is multiplied with 2 both, 3 into 2, 6, minus 6, 5 into 2 it is 10. Similarly minus 9 by 15 and minus 12 by 20. Identify the common relationship between the two consecutive rational numbers. Identify the relationship. There is a common relationship is there. How we got the next rational number? The next rational number that if I identify, then we can find easily what it is, the 4 rational numbers. Next what we get? You see the first one, it is minus 3 by 5 into 1. Then what we get, it is minus into plus, it is minus 3 into 1, 3, minus 3 divided by 5 into 1, it is 5. First rational number we got. Next second rational number to get minus 3 by 5, if it is multiplied with 2 both numerator and denominator, we will get minus into plus, it is minus 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6 divided by 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. So second rational number we got by multiplying the first fraction, that is first rational number, with 2 both numerator and denominator. Similarly, the third rational number we will get it as minus 3 by 5. So it is multiplied with 3 both numerator and denominator. Minus into plus, it is minus 3 into 3, 9 divided by 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15. So third rational number we got by multiplying the first rational number with 3 both numerator and denominator. Next fourth rational number, it is minus 3 by 5. It is multiplied with 4 both. Minus into plus, it is minus 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12 divided by 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20. Now we got the fourth rational number by multiplying the first rational number with 4 both numerator and denominator. Next, to get the next rational number, with what number we have to multiply both? 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, to get the next fifth rational number, we should multiply with 5 both numerator and denominator. Next number it is 6. The next number it is 7. The next number it is 8. So you multiply it. Minus 3 by 5 is multiplied with 5 both numerator and denominator. We will get minus into plus, it is minus 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15 divided by 5 into 5, it is 25. 15 by 25. Next, minus 3 by 5 into 6 into 6, we will get minus into plus, it is minus 3 into 6, 3 6 are 18 divided by 5 into 6, 5 6 are 13. 5 6 are 30. Next, to get the next rational number in the pattern, minus 3 by 5 is multiplied with 7 both numerator and denominator. Minus into plus, it is minus 3 into 7, 3 7s are 21 divided by 5 into 7, 5 7s are 35. We will get minus 21 by 35. How many rational numbers we have to find? 4. So we got 3. Next, try for the fourth one. So to get the fourth rational number, multiply with 8. That is minus into plus, it is minus 3 into 8, 3 8s are 24 divided by 5 into 8, 5 8s are 40. Minus 24 by 40. How we got these rational numbers? By multiplying the both numerator and denominator of the first rational number with the same number. Therefore, what are the 4 rational numbers which we will get after this? Therefore, the required 4 rational numbers are the required 4 rational numbers. 4 rational numbers are what are the 4 rational numbers? Minus 15 by 25, minus 18 by 30, minus 21 by 35 and minus 24 by 40. How we found? By multiplying both. The first rational number, that is first we have to identify the common relation between the two consecutive rational numbers. That is we will get this alternate, that is continuity, by multiplying both numerator and denominator with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Is it clear, children, how to find the next 4 rational numbers in the following pattern? Yes. Now we will discuss one more question from the second bit. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. So third question it is minus 1 by 6, 2 by minus 12, 3 by minus 18 and 4 by minus 24 and so on. So first identify the relation, how we got the second rational number from the first rational number, how we got the third rational number from the first rational number, or how we got the fourth rational number from the first rational number. If we identify, then we can find the next 4 rational numbers. You see here the first one, minus 1 by 6 we got, it is minus 1 by 6. If this number is multiplied with minus 2, then what we get, both numerator and denominator. See, denominator we have minus 12 is there. When 6 is multiplied with a negative integer, we will get the negative integer as the product. So to get 12, 6 is multiplied with 2. That's why we are multiplying with minus 2. Now what we get? Minus into minus is plus, 1 into 2 it is 2 divided by plus into minus minus, 6 into 2 it is 12. So we got the second rational number by multiplying both numerator and denominator with minus 2. Now how we got the third rational number, we will find out. Minus 1 by 6. So denominator is minus 18. So 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. But minus 18, to get minus 18 means it is multiplied with what? Minus 3. Both numerator and denominator is multiplied with minus 3. That is minus into minus is plus, 1 into 3 it is 3 divided by plus into minus minus, 6 into 3 it is 18, minus 18. Next, to get the fourth rational number, minus 1 by 6 is multiplied with minus 4, both numerator and denominator. That is minus into minus it is plus, 1 into 4 it is 4 divided by 6 into minus 4 it is plus into minus minus, 6 into 4 it is 24, minus 24. We got the fourth rational number. So to get the next rational number, what we have to do? To get the next rational number, what we have to do? Minus 1 by 6 is multiplied with what? After minus 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Next integer it is what? Minus 5. So multiply with minus 5. We will get plus into minus. Sorry, minus into minus it is plus. 1 into 5 it is 5 divided by plus into minus minus. 6 into 5, 6 5s are 13. 6 5s are 30. Now to get the next it is minus 1 by 6 is multiplied with minus 6. Therefore what we get it is minus into minus plus 1 into 6, 6 divided by plus into minus minus 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. Then to get the next rational number, minus 1 by 6 is multiplied with what? Minus 7. Therefore minus into minus plus 1 into 7 it is 7 divided by plus into minus minus 6 into 7, 6 7s are 42. 7 by minus 42. Next, to get the fourth rational number, that is minus 1 by 6 is multiplied with minus 8. Therefore what we get? Minus into minus is plus, 1 into 8 it is 8, plus into minus minus, 6 into 8 is 6 8s are 48. Now these are the 4 rational numbers which we get in this pattern after 4 by minus 24. Therefore the required rational numbers are, the required rational numbers are 5 by minus 30, 6 by minus 36, 7 by minus 42 and 8 by minus 48. So like this we will find out the next rational numbers in the following patterns. Now sixth question we will discuss from exercise number 9.1. Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? So pairs of rational numbers are given and we should identify which pair will represent the same rational number. How can you identify they represent the same rational number? Means we should convert or we should change or we should reduce the rational numbers into their standard form. What is standard form of rational number? Always the denominator is a positive integer. The denominator is a positive integer. And second one, both numerator and denominator, they should have only one is the common factor or it is both numerator and denominator are co-primes. Now first step it is observe whether the denominators are positive or not. That is, we need to convert them to the standard form. Then we can say whether they represent the same rational numbers or not. You see the first question. Here the first question we will see solutions. Minus 7 by 21 and 3 by 9. Both the denominators are in positive integers. Next you change them to the standard form. If it is not in the standard form, that is in the simplest form, that is both numerator and denominator, they have only one is the common factor. You take 7, factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Factors of 21, 1, 3, 7, 21. 3 7s are 21. 3 is a factor, 7 is also a factor. Therefore 7 is the common factor for 7 and 21, which is not in the standard form. Similarly 3 by 9 is there. So for 3 and 9, 1 is a common factor and 3 is also a common factor. So it is not in the standard form. So first you change the given rational numbers into the standard form. Then you compare, then you observe whether they represent the same rational number or not. So here minus 7 by 21 is divided with 7 both. Then we will get 7 ones are 7. Therefore it is minus 1 divided by 7 threes are 21. Minus 1 by 3 we got. Second fraction it is 3 by 9. So 3 by 9 both are divided by 3 as 3 is the common factor for 3, that is HCF of 3 and 9 is 3. 3 ones are 3 divided by 3 threes are 9. This is minus 1 by 3 and this is 1 by 3. Are they represent the same numbers, same rational numbers? No. Why? Because this is a negative rational number and it is a positive rational number. That is minus 1 by 3 is not equals to 1 by 3. Therefore minus 7 by 21 and 3 by 9 are not same rational numbers, or not same rational numbers, or they do not represent the same rational number. So next we will discuss the second question. So second question what we have, minus 16 by 20. Minus 16 by 20 and 20 by minus 25. Change them to the lowest form or the simplest form. Minus 16 by 20. So both are multiples of what? 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. You divide with 4. Instead of like this, even you can go for the cancellations. 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. Then 4 5s are 20. Now 4 and 5 both are consecutive numbers. They are co-prime numbers. Therefore the simplest form it is minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. Now the second one it is 20 divided by minus 25. So here you see the denominator is a negative integer. Always the denominator should be a positive integer. To change this, what we will do? We will multiply with minus 1 both numerator and denominator. Then what we get? Plus into minus, minus 20 into 1 it is 20 divided by minus into minus is plus, 25 into 1 it is 25, minus 25 by minus 20 by 25 we got. Now reduce this to the lowest form, that is minus 20 divided by 25. Both are divisible by 5. We will get in 5 tables. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. That is HCF of 20 and 25 it is 5. So you divide with 5. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Now what it is? Minus 4 divided by 5. Now you see minus 4 by 5. First rational number is representing minus 4 by 5. Second rational number is also representing the same rational number. Therefore what we can say? The given two rational numbers will represent the same rational number. Therefore minus 16 by 20 and 20 divided by minus 25 represent same rational number. Same rational number. So what is the concept here? It is we have to reduce the given rational numbers to the standard form. Then we need to compare them whether they equal or not. See the third question. Here the first rational number it is minus 2 by minus 3. Is it is in the standard form? No. Why? Because the denominator is a negative integer. So we should get it should be into what? In the positive integer form. For that we will multiply with minus 1 both numerator and denominator. So what we get? Minus into minus it is plus. 2 into 1 is equals to 2 divided by minus into minus is plus, 3 into 1 it is 3. So the first fraction is representing 2 by 3, second fraction it is what? 2 by 3. Now both are same, both the rational numbers are representing the same rational number. Therefore minus 2 by minus 3 and 2 by 3 represent same rational number. Same rational number. So like this we will identify whether the given pair of rational numbers represent the same rational number or not by changing them to the simplest form or to the lowest form or to the reducing it to the standard form. Is it clear, children? Now today what we discussed, that is finding rational numbers between two given rational numbers and finding the next four rational numbers in the patterns of the rational numbers, and also we found that is we identified whether the given pair of rational numbers represent the same rational number or not by changing them to the standard form or it is simplest form or to the lowest form. I hope you understand today's concept, and your homework is exercise number 9.1, question number 1, 2 and 4, second and fourth question. Question number 2, second and fourth bit. Question number 6, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh bit. So this is your homework. Complete the given homework and thank you very much.